How to browse Wendy's menu on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open wendys.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on View Our Menu at the top. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find all the menus available. You can scroll through it and you can click on it. After you click on the menu or the product you want to order, you can simply click on it, and after you click on it, it will give you additional informations which are like this. You need to click on it and select the one you prefer, and now you'll find all the nutrition, calories, ingredients, and if you're allergens, there are the products available, and you can read through it, and after you want one, you can click on start and order your food. This is how to browse Wendy's menu on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.